I start with finding a few powers of m to look for some patterns. So m square is 25 minus 9, 16 by 4, which is 8 by 2. And then we have 15 plus 3, which is 12 by 4, which is 6 by 2. Then we have minus 6 by 2. And finally we have minus 4 by 2. Then m cube is 40 minus this is 11 by 2. Then we have 30 minus 12 by 4, which is 9 by 2. Then we have minus 9 by 2, and finally minus 7 by 2. So looking at this, we get a sense that mn is 2, m to the power of n is 2 plus 3n by 2, 3n by 2 minus 3n by 2, and minus 2 minus 3 . Then we substitute n by 2022 to get 13034, 33 minus 3033, 3032. The answer is B. We'll also have to verify that if mn is this, then mn to the power of m to the power of n plus 1 will also be in the same pattern, and you can verify, turns out. So answer is B.